Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, teacher and all my friends. Today I would like to talk about a very important issue. Smoking among teenagers, as we all know, smoking is a habit that brings more harm than good. Unfortunately, nowadays more and more teenagers are starting to smoke, even though they know the dangers behind it. Why does this happen? What makes teenagers want to smoke? There are several reasons why teenagers start smoking. First, many teenagers believe that smoking will make them look cool or more mature. They often see actors in movie or singer in music video who smoke, and they think it's a symbol of being grown up. They don't realize that what they see in movie is just acting, not a real life. Second, teenagers are often influenced by their environment. Friends or peers may offer them a cigarette. Many teenagers are afraid of being rejected by their friends, so they follow along. This is what we call peer pressure. Sadly, this pressure often leads them into unhealthy habits. Third, some teenagers smoke because they want to escape from problems. Maybe they are stressed about school, family issue, or personal problems. They think smoking can help them relax or forget about their problems for a while. But the truth is smoking does not solve problems. It only creates ones. Now let's talk about the teenage of smoking. We must understand that cigarettes contain dangerous chemicals such as nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide. These substances damage the body, especially the lungs and heart. People who smoke for a long time have a much higher risk of getting serious disease like lung cancer, heart disease, and stroke. And do you know what even scarier? Research shows that the earlier someone starts smoking, the more addicted they will become. That means teenagers who start smoking now may find it very hard to stop in the future. Their bodies will become weaker. They may get sick more often, and their future could be destroyed. Smoking doesn't only affect health, it also affects money. Cigarettes are expensive. Imagine spending thousands or even millions of rupiah just to buy something that will harm you. Instead of wasting money on cigarettes, teenagers could use that money for better things like books, sports equipment, hobby, or saving for college. So, what can we do about this? First, education is very important. Schools should talk openly about the dangers of smoking. Teachers or parents need to explain clearly why smoking is bad and teach students how to say no when someone offers them a cigarette. Second, parents should give more attention to their children. Sometimes teenagers start bad habits because they feel ignored or lonely. A loving family can help teenagers stay away from bad influence. Third, the government should also help by making strict rules about cigarette sales. Shops should not be allowed to sell cigarettes to minors, and advertisement about smoking should be reduce or even ban it, especially in places where teenagers often hang out. And finally, the choice is in your hands. We, as teenagers, are responsible for our own future. We can choose the right path. We can choose health over sickness. We can choose success over regret. Saying not to smoking is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of strength and wisdom. So let's stand together and protect ourselves and our friends from dangerous smoking. Let's build a better future for ourselves and making smart choice today.